Hi guys, this is my outfit of the day, my hiking attire. I know you guys can't see it, but I think I have something in my eye. Don't know what it is. Here we go. And I'm wearing my Invisaligns today. I'm so bad. I usually don't wear them. I only use them to sleep, which is not recommended. We just started. My body's feeling good. I did bring some coconut water today. I brought some snacks. I'm prepared. Well, to be honest, my dad's carrying all of that in his backpack. He helps me. And let me show you where he's at. There's my dad. Mírenlo, ahí va con todo. Siempre, usualmente, él va enfrente de mí. One, because he's familiar with the place. Two, because he's faster than me. Three, because he is just amazing. And there we go, ahí vamos. Okay guys, quick update. Now I am tired. We stopped for a quick water break, poquita agüita, and our journey continues. I have to be honest, at first, I didn't really think it was complicated. I was like, oh, it's a short little walk / hike. But after an hour, I just got really tired. So I do think though, I do consider myself a beginner. So I do think that if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. I would even say beginner to moderate, level. I think this is a perfect place for you to come hiking. But for anyone who is advanced and has experience, like, this would be a piece of cake for you. Kind of like my dad. He basically runs it when he comes because he's walking. He's speed walking with me. This is like nothing to him. Made it to the top and I feel very satisfied. Did it! So now it's just time to enjoy the view, relax for a couple minutes, have a water break, and just breathe. Enjoying the view, breathing. Look what we found. Encontramos abejas, avispas, and they're like, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but there's a lot of them. But of course, we're a couple feet away, and as long as we respect them and don't invade their space, they should be good. Okay guys, we're taking a quick little water break, and this is the coconut water that I'm drinking. So you can see my face, it's super red / pink. I did wear some sunblock, moisturizer with sunblock. Probably not enough. I absolutely loved this hike. We hiked for a total of 3 miles. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you soon.